Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create Phantom wallet account. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, this guide will help you get started. So the first step is to download the Phantom wallet app. Once the app has been installed, open it. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Then right on the screen, you will have two options called create new wallet and import an existing wallet. If you already have a Phantom wallet account, then tap on import existing wallet and fill up your credentials. But if you don't, tap on create a new wallet. Once done that, you will be asked your Face ID for authentication. Enable the toggle button near the Face ID. Tap on allow for Phantom wallet to use your Face ID. Once done that, tap on next. Now on the second page, you will be given a list of words which will help you to recover your account later. So copy this and save it to your note. For this, tap on copy to clipboard. After that, go and save it to your notes. After that, get back to your Phantom wallet app. Then tap on OK, I saved it somewhere. Then you will have a pop-up saying, without the secret recovery phase, you will not be able to access your key or any asset associated with it. Tap on yes. Once done that, select I agree to the terms of service and then tap on get started. And that's it. You'll be asked your Face ID again for confirmation. And now you have successfully created a Phantom wallet account. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.